Hello student, good afternoon. Today this is lecture number 1. We are going to start the next chapter, sets, chapter number 4. So let us start with the definition. The set is defined as generally the collection of well-defined object like the set of natural number. Okay, natural number set means start with 0 and up to infinity. Set of start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whole number start with 0, 1, 2, up to this. Number of students in your class, this is also a set. Number of students in your class, how many students you have to write down. Okay, then total number of planets, you can say total number of planets. From all this given data, we can say that we have fixed number, or either we can say that we have a known values. Okay, if we have known values and in a categories, then we can say that these are comprises of the number which are given in a sequential manner that that makes a set. So set have well defined object. We will discuss further about that. But the student, the important thing is that what are the things which are not comprises within a set. This is very important. The example of this thing are the intelligent student of your class. Can you tell me this? No. Because in different type of exams, the different student get the different marks. Okay. So intelligence cannot be compared by the marks. Okay. First thing is this. Second, the best cricketer of the world. No. Because all the cricketer are best according to their time. Okay. Not all the time a single cricketer is best. Okay. Then third one, best writer of the world. We cannot say the best, who is the best writer of all the times. Okay. Then fourth one, best singer, like all the things. Okay, whatever in your mind. First you have to check out these are actually true or not. The intelligent student, best cricketer, best writer, best singer. These are the things which we cannot conclude about these things in a single way. Okay. Similarly, when it comprises of a set, then we have information about that. Okay, like we have natural number, so we know natural number are from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Then whole number 0 start with 0. Then integer is also a set because negative integer the positive integer. Total number of planets are 8. So these are the fixed information which actually the facts are in front, or some data is given about this information. Okay, but at the same time the things which are not in the set, these are not include the data actually. Okay, so these are not the group of set. I think the things is very clear that the set and the things which are not in comprises of sets. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the exercise 4a. The first question, planet in our solar system are fixed. So number of planets in our solar system are 8. So this is a group of set. If not a set, give reason. We have to give reason. Interesting books in the library. Second one, interesting book in the library. Because the different students have different interests. Some students like the story books. Some like technology books. Some like researches, and some cartoons. Okay, so interests of different students is different. So we cannot conclude about the things that the student have this same interest, and we can think that one book about one book, and we can say that this is the interesting book in the library. So, okay, so this is the reason. Third one, colors of a rainbow. The colors of rainbow are fixed. These are Vibgyor. You can remember by this: violet, indigo. These are fixed. Okay, blue, green, yellow, orange, then last one is red. Okay, these are fixed. Then fourth one, all difficult problems in your maths book. Again the same thing, because the mental level of different student is different, so that the difficulty level is different for different students. Okay. Fifth one, top 5 wickets taker in Test cricket. Top 5 wicket taker. Okay, we can think about that. Top 5 wicket taker means सबसे ज़्यादा विकेट किसने लिए? फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड वन, थर्ड वन, फोर्थ वन और फिफ्थ वन. लाइक फर्स्ट वाले ने 780 विकेट लिए, फिर 700, 600, 550 एंड 450. ओके, दीज आर द टॉप 5 cricketer who takes the top. Okay, so the name of these cricketer are listed in the given set. Sixth one, intelligent boy. I already discussed about that. President of India. Presidents of India. जितने भी presidents अभी तक हुए हैं उन सबके नाम लिखने. Eighth one, good football player. We cannot say this is a good one. Okay, according to their time. Ninth, counting number between 30 to 40. Again very simple. All good school of India. No, we cannot say that All Saint Convent is the best school, or the any other school, or KV school is good, because the performance rating of different school is different in different years as well. Okay, so we cannot say that this school is all time good. Okay, because the performance is up and down with the change of years. Okay, next, the 11th one, all vowels. All vowels are fixed. All yellow fruits. All yellow fruits. Can you conclude about that? Yes, I think, because the number of fruits are countable. So if countable, then we can conclude about that. Number of fruits are yellow, the name of them. So this is the complete set. Okay, so exercise 4A is complete. Now we are going to discuss the exercise 4B with the thing that membership of a set. So first we can deal with the membership of set. You have to do 4A in your fair copy. Okay, stand. The next topic is membership of a set. Membership of set. You have to write down all these things in your, like in your class, total number of students is 29. Okay, we start with Arohi, then Aditi, okay, Adisri, then some girls, then boys. Okay, I know some of the students, so Hardik, Mahesh, Ritesh. Okay, so total number of students is 29. So this is the group of student of class 6. Okay, we can also say that total number of student, yeah, students of class 6 of All Saints Convent School people. So this is the fixed information now. So student of the class 6 of All Saint Convent School Bibram. So this is the only school. So now total number of students this. So Arohi, Aditi, Adisri, Hardik, Mahesh and Ritesh are the members of this group. Okay, these are the members of this set. So we can say that this is the set of class 6 and total number of members are 29. So 29 include all these students. I think this is very clear now. The set or member of set is very important. Okay, I think this is very simple also. One more example we will discuss. Okay, student. Group of vowels. Again, this is fixed. because the group of vowels contains A, E, I, O, U. Okay. If we can say that here A is the subset or not a set. Okay, subset or not a subset. So we can say that A is the subset of this group. This is the sign of subset. Sorry, this is the sign of subset. It means A include this. Okay, A is the subset of this, but we can say that B is not the subset of this A, E, I, O, U, because vowels does not include the B, because B is a consonant. Okay, so these are the difference between set, subset and not a subset. So A is the subset of this and B is not the subset of this. So these are the sign of the subset and not a subset. Now we will discuss the exercise 4B. You have to write down all these things in your flash copy. Okay. Question number first is similar to I had earlier discussed this. So this is true. Second one, 6 is the subset of even number. Yes, because 6 is the subset of even number. So even number subset of the even number. Even number are start from 2, 4, 6. Okay. So this is true. This second one. Now third, 13 is the subset of odd numbers. Not the subset. 13 is not the subset of odd number. Odd number start from 1, 3. Actually 13. Odd number contain 13. So this is wrong because the information is wrong. Fourth one, gold, silver, platinum, gold. Gold is not the subset of gold, silver and platinum. This is wrong. This is false statement. Why? Because gold is in the set of this thing, and here is not the subset. So this is wrong. Gitanjali, subset of set of books written by Tagore. Yes, right answer. Because Gitanjali is the name of the book and written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Rose, not the subset of set of flower. Set of vegetables, because rose is a flower. Again, this is right. Seventh one, 1998 is the subset of set of leap years. No, leap years is 1996 is the leap year, then 2000, then 2004. All the leap year must be divisible by 4. Okay, you have to remember. Moon is the subset of set of planet of the solar system. No, this is wrong. Next question number 2. Okay, sir. Now second question is, we have a set odd number less than equal to 19. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and equal to 19. So 19 is also in the set. So this is given as A. A is the set which contain these elements. Elements or member. We can say that these are elements of this set or member of this set. Okay, the first one is 4 dash A. So 4 is not the subset of this. Okay, first one 7. 7 means yes, because 7 is the subset of A. Third one is 9. Now this is clear. Okay, 9 yes, 13 yes, 19 yes, and 2 no. So for no, last one is 6. So 2 is not the subset of A. Okay, now last question, write this sentence in set language using the proper symbol set or subset. 2 is a member of the set of first 5 counting number. Question number 3. Okay, student, question number 3. 2 is a member of first 5 counting number. Yes, 2 is the member of first 5 counting number. So this is right statement. So we can say that 2 is the member of, yes, Now D is the member of set of consonant. D is the member of set of consonant because D is here. B C D F G H J K L M N O A up to X Y Z. Okay. Now third one, 32 is not a member of set of multiple. 32 is not a member of set of multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 32 is in between 30 and 33. So this is not in the group. Okay, not in the set. So we can write like this. India is not a member of set of continents. Okay, we have 7 continents: Asia, Africa. Okay, I think you are familiar with this. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and then Europe. Okay, 7 continents, and India is a country, not a continent. So like this. So thank you so much. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss 4C. Thank you.